how to write the program for the simple interest and how to calculate the simple interest of the any principal amount. Okay, and with the help of the Python. So in this lecture, and we will discuss about the how to write the program. And so without any further delay, and so now let's get started. So when we talk about the what is the requirement of the program, and when you want to calculate the simple interest, what is the parameters you need it. Okay, so if you find the simple interest, then three parameters are required. So first is the principals, and principal, second is the year, and third is the rate. Principal, that means your amount, year means and many time, how many years you want to take the principal, a principal amount, and what the rate of the your for your amount. Okay, and now when you calculate the what is the simple interest formula. Simple interest formula is the P multiply Y multiply R divided by 100. That means P means principal, Y means year, and R means the rate. And when you talking about the how to write the program, then you P, and it takes the integer type, so that's why I use that into data type, into type conversion. And when you not understand and how to convert, how to type conversion and how to work the typecasting, then you will go on the previous lecture, and you will see firstly the type conversion and typecasting video. After that you will continue with this video. Okay, and this is the enter principal amount. That means it gives the principal amount. It takes the principal amount from the user and enter here. That means the it, it stores the year of user, and enter rate, and that means it stores the rate. And when you simply calculate with the help of the formula, and then it is stored in the SI variable, and SI directly it is very simple to print it, and it gives the any simple interest of the any amount. Okay, and now here use the input function for the take the input from the user. And if you not understand, then you can see previous lecture in this previous lecture, and already discussed about in the deep of the how to write the how to why use the input function and how to work with it. And so now when we go on the VS Code and write the program, now you can see, and this is my program. And first is takes the principal, second is year, and third is the rate. And here use the simple formula of the simple interest, and now here print it. And when I click on the run button, now you can see, and this is the enter the principal amount, enter the principal amount. That means so my principal amount is 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. Okay, and how many time want to take, and 2 years for the 2 years. And what is the rate? So my rate is the 10%. And when you calculate the, so your interest is the 200. And when you returns back the principal amount for the any people, and then you add the simple interest is 200. Okay, and I think you got it now. And if you have any query, and then you will go on the comment section, write the comment for me. And if I see your comment, and then I definitely respond to you. And so without so I think this is enough for the day. And so thank you so much. We will back in the next video. And yeah, thanks for the watching.